Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fun crosshairs into Valorant. So go to this website. It is the Valorant Crosshair Database. Go to vcrdb.net, and you can also copy crosshairs from like pro players. There's like Yay, TenZ, Forsaken, etc. But if you want fun crosshairs, just select fun, and I'm just going to copy this one, the glasses one. Select copy code, go back to Valorant, and go to the crosshair settings. So press escape, go to crosshair, and go to the latest crosshair. Go to import profile code and paste it. So just press Ctrl V on your keyboard and press import and press OK. And you can edit the name. Just going to name it glasses. Oops. Close settings, and as you can see, oh, I have to spray so you guys can see. Oh, it's kind of lagging. I don't know why it's not separating, but it should be separated. But I did add in a lot of fun crosshairs from that website, like the Sakura one. If I spray, it's going to change. You can't really see it that well because of the color. As you can see, there's now 3 instead of 4. Look, if I spray. But that is it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try to I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!